everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build your own AI audience persona generator. This AI agent will help you understand exactly who you're talking to, so every campaign, post or offer speaks to the right people in the right way. This is the prompt I will use. What I need is an AI agent that helps me create a detailed audience persona for marketing and content planning. The agent should analyze the information I provide and also write the personas in a clear, structured format. Also, it should include short summaries of each persona's buying behavior and key messages. Let's try it. So now our persona creator is ready. Let's try it. So this is the main chat section. Now let's take a look at the settings. We have the name of the assistant, the description, the AI model which was automatically selected by the platform based on our use case. You can select another one if you like from the ones available on the platform. The AI assistant instructions, which are more complex than the prompt that I have used. You can also change this one based on your specific requirements, and the visibility, private or public. Now let's go back. This is the prompt that I have prepared. First of all, you should know that I created a simple prompt so that you understand what the agent can do basically with little details. So make sure to make your prompt valuable enough with the right details so you get the best response for your business. So my prompt is to create 3 detailed buyer personas for a digital marketing agency that works with B2B SaaS companies. The agent should include each persona's role, company size, main KPIs and others, and describe their preferred content formats such as blogs or LinkedIn or webinars, and what type of messaging would resonate best. Let's see. So now let's take a look at these 3 detailed buyer personas. First of all, we have someone that is growth driven. We have demographics, which are very important, then goals and objectives, pain points and challenges, motivation and values like partnership mentality over vendor relationship, preferred platforms like LinkedIn or Slack communities, content preferences. Okay, then a buying behavior summary, which is very important, and some key resonating messages. The next persona is more strategic, some demographics and goals and objectives, also pain points and motivation and values, other preferred platforms that differ from the first person, and content preferences, and of course the buying behavior summary so that you understand better, and key resonating messages. Then the third persona. Okay, demographics, goals and objectives, pain points, limited marketing budget, for example. Then motivation and values, scrappy resourceful approaches that maximize limited budgets, some preferred platforms and content preferences like community-driven content, and again a buying behavior summary and messages. Then we have campaign targeting recommendations for each one of the personas so that everything is personalized, and the quality validation checklist. Of course, each persona has a descriptive name that reflects their key characteristic. Okay, and additional strategic insights, for example, cross-persona patterns and some differentiation opportunities. Good, so these are all the steps you have to follow, and now you will have detailed audience insights you can actually use in your content, campaigns and positioning, but make sure that your prompt is really good so that you get the best results. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on different marketing use cases.